modular arithmetic. Yeah, so since the quote vortex sum of a number is equal to the remainder or mod base minus 1, what we are actually doing, let's put a bracket, comma, what we are actually doing is termed quote modular arithmetic. Here is the mainstream definition of modular arithmetic, and with an example using a typical 12-hour clock used in most countries. So here's a modular arithmetic on Wiki. Modular arithmetic. So in mathematics, modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic for integers where numbers where numbers quote wrap around when reaching a certain value called the modulus. The modern approach to modular arithmetic was developed by Carl Friedrich Gauss in his book Disquisitiones Arithmetica. Published in 1801 or 1801. So a familiar use of modular arithmetic is in the 12-hour clock, in which the day is divided into two 12-hour periods. Yeah, so if the time is 7 o'clock now, then 8 hours later, it will be 3. In other words, 7 a.m. or 7 p.m. goes 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. Yeah, 7 if you add this by 8 hours. Yes, to get to 12 o'clock, it's adding by 5, and then add another 3 for 8 hours. So a simple addition would result in 7 plus 8 equals 15. Yeah, but the clocks wrap around every 12 hours. So because the hour number starts over after it reaches 12, this is arithmetic modulo 12 in terms of the definition below. The 15 is congruent to 3 mod 12. Yeah, congruent or the same. So you could go 15 mod 12 is the same as 3 mod 12 or so on. So quote 15 on a 12-hour clock is displayed 3 on a 12-hour clock. So anyways, here's a modulo right here. So if you have 9 o'clock right here plus 4, you're going to go up to 3. Yeah, you're going to go 3 and then plus 3 and then plus 1 right there. So it gets to 1 o'clock. So you restart at this 12 o'clock right there. Yes, you can just write this as 12. Like that, 12. Reset. So timekeeping on this clock uses arithmetic modulo 12 right there. And yeah, remember using the mod function, the 12, if there's or the remainder, it gets to 0, but you could consider this as 12. So 0 or 12, like that. So in base 10, we are dealing with modulo or mod 9, and thus for any number greater than 9, yeah, any number greater than 9, we restart the clock back to 1 and keep repeating this cycle. We can see this by considering the number 13 in base 10. So if we have 13, vortex sum is v equals 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Or you could write this as 13 mod 9 equals to 4. And then you could also write this in our usual notation. 13 plus 10 plus, 13 equals to 10 plus 3, which equals to 1 plus 9. So there's that 9 there. Move this 9 and move the 1 over to the other side. So you have 9 plus 4. So you equals factor of 9 plus a remainder. So basically what we're doing is casting out this 9. Or just, removing it out there because we're going to wrap around it. So we're wrapping around the remainder. So we can draw this out. The remainder is 4. So we should actually get 4 there. So we can wrap this around a circle. Yeah, so we can draw this out around a circle with 9 at the top. Yeah, so we're going to look at right here. So number 13 equals to 9 plus 4. So you could just start at the 9 and go to the 4. Yeah, let's do that right here. So you can go from the 9, it goes all the way to the 4. This is going to be plus 4, like that. And we get to the 4. Here, just put it over to this side. Or we could also write this as, well, just subtract 1 on both sides on this 8. And subtract 1 here and add 1 there. So we could go 8 plus 5. Or we could go from here, put this in red. And then if you add 5 right here, this goes all the way across here. So this is plus 5. Whereas this one is plus 4, so go from 9 to 4. Or you could even go further. And let's say we have, write this in green, or this equals to, just subtract 1 more, 7 plus 6. So we can go from here, 7, and then this one would go all the way into, this around, this one would be 6. So we would go plus 2 across here, then plus 4. It's always 4 there. Yeah, it's always 4 from the 9, yeah, so this is plus 6 like that. Or we could do either one like that. Let's move this around. Yeah, so it's a better circle there, and then move this plus 6. And then plus, this one is plus 5. Like that. Yeah, so thus what we have is modular arithmetic allows for reducing all integers, regardless of size, down to a specific amount of numbers or integers such as 1 through 9 for base 10 or modulo 9. So, yeah, this is the main one. Is we reduce any of the size 13, just goes into number 4 for this modular arithmetic clock right there.